Test. This was a test to see why Rocky wasn't eating. I know he likes to eat when I spill food out of his bin in the basement closet here. So this is his second scoop, which I just simply laid out on the floor on a paper towel, and he's gobbling it up like there is no tomorrow. So I think maybe it has something to do with the bowl, but maybe you and I can talk about it when you get back. I love you and I miss you, and I can't wait. Hope you guys have a great time, but I look forward to you coming home. Bye-bye.